In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DNS records with DNS Zone Editor in Siteground. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each field means so you can add records confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by opening My Siteground in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Websites section. This is where Siteground lists every site connected to your account. Find the website whose DNS you want to manage and open its site tools. Picking the correct site matters because DNS changes affect where your domain points and how services like email or subdomains work. Inside Site Tools, look for the domain area in the left sidebar. From there, select DNS Zone Editor. This is the control panel for creating and managing DNS records like A, shui, and cname. You'll see your current zone records listed, along with the option to create a new one. Click Create New Record. You'll be prompted to choose the record type. A records map, a name to an IPv4 address, A array records map to an IPv6 address, and cname records point one name to another name. For this walkthrough, select A to create an IPv4 mapping. Next, set the name. This is the host or label for the record. Many interfaces offer a drop-down or field where you can choose the root of your domain or a specific subdomain. For example, you might choose the bare domain, or a host like GUI or app. Pick the one that matches your intended destination and be sure it doesn't conflict with an existing record for the same name. Now choose the cache duration, also called TTL. TTL tells other DNS resolvers how long they should cache the answer before checking again. If your testing changes, a shorter TTL can make updates appear faster. If your setup is stable, the default or a longer TTL reduces DNS traffic. When in doubt, the default is usually fine. Enter the IPv4 address you want this name to point to. This should be the server or service IP provided by your hosting, application, or provider. Double-check the address for typos. A single wrong digit will send traffic to the wrong place. When everything looks correct, click Create to save the record. The new entry will appear in your zone list. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, often within minutes, but sometimes up to a few hours depending on the TTL and caching. If you don't see the change right away, give it a bit of time. That's it. You've created an A record in Siteground's DNS Zone Editor, and the same flow applies when you choose Tolpe A or cname. Thanks for watching and happy configuring.